Josh, get the ball. Get the ball. Hey, get the ball. Look at the window. No, no. She's trying to get it.
Try to get him to run around the yard. Try to get him to run around
Josh.
the yard.
I said run, not walk. Now come back, come on, come back. Come back, Josh. Are you getting him running?
Yeah. This is it.
Curious dog. Watch her like bang her head going up.
Yeah. She did the first time. He's not back there.
Go to the window. Go to the window. No, not me. Alright, Josh, come back.
She doesn't understand how she can see him.
It's not me. It wasn't me. Oh, he's back.